Hey, wait. I wanted to show you guys how I wash Baz's feet. Somebody asked a while back how to clean their feet. So this is how I do Baz's feet. You get the water just right, and then spray it for a minute so all the cold water is out of the hose. Come on. Come here, friend. You know something's up. Come on. Step off. Okay. Step off. Step up. Good boy. Okay. You just go like this. And hope he doesn't do that. Just go like this. See? He lets me do that. And you just wash him. Okay, you can go up there if you want to. I can't spray you up there though. Okay, step off. Now we don't want to. Step off. Okay, you can be done. All right.